Hello everyone! In this video, we'll see how teachers can update student attendance using the Schoolknot Teacher Portal. From the dashboard, open the Attendance module. Click on the Attendance module and you will be taken to the Absenteeism tab. This is the Absenteeism page. First, select your class. You'll notice that only the classes assigned to you are displayed here. For example, if a teacher is assigned to classes 1, 2, 6 and 8, only those classes will be available. Now let's select class 1B and click Search. You can now see the complete list of students. You'll also notice that the status shows attendance not marked. By default, every student is marked as present. If any student is absent, simply click on the Present button. That student will automatically be marked as absent. Continue marking all absent students in the same way. Once you've finished, click Submit. An attendance summary will now appear. Here you can review the total present, total absent, and enrolled students. Click Confirm. Excellent! Today's attendance has now been submitted successfully. Now let's look at another common scenario. What if every student is present today? Even though the page still displays attendance not marked, there's nothing extra you need to do. Since every student is already marked as present by default, simply open the attendance page for the class, scroll down and click Submit. The attendance for all students will now be recorded as present. Here you can see total present 12, enrolled students 12. Click Confirm. Attendance has now been submitted successfully. Now let's see how to mark a student on leave. Select another class and click Search. Let's mark one student as absent first. Now click on the Absent button. A list of leave types will appear. You can select sick leave, casual leave, or any other leave type configured by your school. Choose the required leave type and click Submit. The leave has now been applied to that student. Continue marking attendance for the remaining students. Click Submit. The attendance summary now shows present 12, absent 2, leave 1. This ensures that students who are on leave are recorded separately from absent students. Now let's see how to view attendance records. Open the View Absenteeism tab. Select the class and choose the required date. Click Search. Here you can view the attendance for that day. Students on sick leave are marked as leave, while other absent students are shown as absent. This is how attendance can be recorded and reviewed from the teacher portal. Now let's see how teachers can update attendance using the teacher mobile app, since many teachers prefer updating attendance from their phones. Open the teacher mobile app and tap on the attendance tile. Now select your class. You'll see the complete list of students. Just like the web portal, all students are marked as present by default. Simply mark the absent students as absent. Once you've finished, tap Submit. You'll now see the attendance summary. Tap Confirm. Today's attendance has now been submitted successfully. Now let's see how to apply leave from the mobile app. First, tap the Present button to mark the student as absent. Then tap the Absent button again to change the status to leave. Select the appropriate leave type, such as sick leave, and tap Submit. The leave has now been applied. Continue marking attendance for the remaining students. Once everything is complete, tap Submit. Finally, tap Confirm. Attendance has now been updated successfully. This is how teachers can easily manage attendance using the Schoolknot Teacher mobile app. We hope this module is simple and easy to use. Thank you.